welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on vertical videos. You've seen them on TV, on the news. You've seen them on social media sites. Vertical videos. People are taking videos with their cell phones vertically instead of horizontally. And when you see them on CNN, when they have a news story on CNN or any of the major news networks, they'll have the vertical video, but they'll have it blurred out, a bigger video behind it blurred out, or the same video blurred out, to make it more appealing to watch. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. Every time I see one of these videos, a vertical video, I want to cry. I don't understand why people can't take horizontal videos. It turns out much better, and the audience will appreciate it better. So I'll show you how to do it. So with my video imported, my vertical video imported, drag your timeline. That's important. When you get this message here, do you want to set your project video settings to match this media? You want to select no. If you don't do no, you can't do this effect. So now you got drag to the timeline, drag another one to the timeline, go to the second one, go to Event Pan and Crop, right click, and select Match Output Aspect. Close out of it. Go to Event FX. Double click on Gaussian Blur. Okay. I have a number of presets here. The default one actually looks pretty good. But you have medium blur, light blur, extreme blur, soften, and yellow glow. I think the default looks fine, so leave it at the default. And basically you're done. So let's preview this. Let's see what it looks like. Looks pretty acceptable. So this is a way to fix your vertical videos you take with your cell phone. I don't know, by mistake or on purpose. I'm not sure why people do vertical videos. I don't understand why. Every time I see one, like I said, I want to cry. So in the future, please don't let me cry. Please take it horizontally like everybody else does. So that's all you have to do to fix your vertical videos in Vegas Pro 16 and actually Movie Studio as well. This will work in Movie Studio as well. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.